My screen is visible, right? I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, we are able to see you.
Okay. So we have created this VM, Jenkins VM, and we have installed, configured our Jenkins and installed the required plugins, right? So how can we connect using SSH? We'll connect to that. This is our 220.public IP. Hope you remember, right, what we have done. So we have what we did. Let it connect this way, then I will repeat the steps. So we have created, I have selected this specific Jenkins because the amount whatever is going to, they are going to take it per hour basis. That is, they can credit from the debit from our free credits. That was the reason I have taken this package, right? So I have selected this specific group and not this. Jenkins, search for Jenkins and this one. Jenkins package by something. So just create it. So select the resource group. If you want, you can create a new one. Like this one. Demo RG is the resource group. Give some name like Jenkins VM1 and select the region, whatever it is. And here you can choose SSH key or public key. I prefer selecting password because one password, right? So this is what we have done. Rest all we have not. SSD, that is okay. We are okay with the default resource thing. Networking, everything, leave the default one. Don't change anything for now. Maybe we'll learn more when we talk about Docker. Right? And nothing else, just a review. And if you want, you double check the cost before creating so that it should not impact in case if you are on the pay as you go mode. Here you can see here. For this specific vendor, we are not paying anything. For this, we will be paying 8168 for whatever the per hour, right? And this is subscription credits are applied. I mean, whatever the credits you will get, that 15,000 or 16,000, the amount will be deducted from that, right? So now you go and create your VM. Let's create it. I don't know what name we give. We gave, I think, EM1, right? Okay. So let us create it. It will create multiple resources as part of this virtual machine. You can see here the resources, whatever is getting added as part of this virtual virtual machine. You can see here list of all those. Will display one by one. You can see here Jenkins VM 1219, 1291. This is a random number which is created, right? Network related. Some 3 to 4 resources will be created here, which are linked to your actual, that whatever the VM name we have created, Jenkins VM1. This is the actual VM, which are linked to this network. These are all network related. So again, we have seen, right? There are multiple resources which we need to create. So automatically, this creating a VM will automatically take care of creating these things. And we are installing Jenkins on this. Still, it is in progress. You can see here status. It's taking time. Okay, deployment is ready. Version, whatever it is, was successfully created. Go to resource. This is your VM. Since I think I have in free subscription, maybe Jenkins, maybe they'll look at only one public IP. That is the reason we are not getting here. What I assume. This is how we created a VM. But for now, forget about this. One VM, whatever we have created, that is more than enough for us. So I don't want apply force. I want all the things to be deleted. I don't want anything. So that is how we created a VM. So what is our VM name? So our VM name is virtual VM. This I have deleted now. This is the Jenkins VM which we have created, right? So now let us connect to this VM. Connecting, right? Connection to host connection. Why ping? It's not even pinging. That is correct, right? Wasted. What is the reason? Yeah, it's okay. Deletions. So let us see what is the issue here. We are unable to SSH to this specific VM. Here you will have an option to debug in case of any issues. Checking network security is fine. Here you can see here, test your connection or troubleshoot your SSH. Now the problem is for us troubleshooting SSH. First, let me test it in case if there is any issue. This is my IP address 22 IP run test. If something is not done properly, we'll try to correct it. We'll try that. Okay, this will be useful for you guys as well. It's a kind of debugging session in case of any issues. Okay. Go to overview. There's no issues with this. Let us see SSH and we will try to troubleshoot that. It will ask you a few questions. So if you give the inputs automatically, it will try to resolve the problem. Can't connect to VM. This virtual machine is starting as a requested by an authorized user. So it will be online shortly. For that, we have to give our, what is this IP? This is my system IP. You can see, start. This, 92. Okay. Let us say I'm selecting my, so I'm trying to connect with port 22. Meanwhile, can anyone try this link from your laptop? Maybe there is an issue with my firewall. We'll come to know that as well. In case if you guys are able to connect. Is that? Anyone try connecting to this VM, whatever we have just created from your. In case if it is asking for password, please let me know. I'll tell you the password. It pinged you in chat window. Can one of you can please try this? Just execute this command in your command prompt and let me know whether it is connecting or not, so that we can debug in that direction.
Yeah, Bhaskar, for me, it's prompting for password.
Okay. Give the password p caps password
Yeah.
underscore 123.
Underscore.
Yeah, password underscore 123 p caps.
Yeah, I'm able to log in.
You're able to log in. Super. That means there is some issue with my firewall itself.
I think. Do you have any antivirus installed in your system?
Don't have. I have McAfee, but that is okay. That is not blocking.
Bhaskar, what is the password? Yeah, can you let me know.
Password underscore 331. Oh, sorry, 123. P caps.
PCAP, password underscore
123. I think someone has connected already, right? Who is that? Somshikar?
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah.
Somshikar, yeah.
Okay. Because for me, everywhere, everything is displaying as Anand Anand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. 4 members at least.
Oh, is it?
no.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No
Password,
issues.
password is password underscore 123. Sorry.
But it's okay. Who has connected? I'll come back to you. I think Anand, I think you're right. Somshikar, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, 1 second.
Some issue with my desktop. Why am I not connecting? The
Okay.
same thing.
I'm also,
Can
yeah, I
you please
can also
enable screen sharing?
Okay, 1 second. I don't know. Everybody is displaying as Anand. Can you talk now?
Yeah.
Somshikar? Okay.
Can you please give me screen sharing?
Yeah, I will make a post. Yes. Can you share now?
Yeah, 1 second. Screen share.
I'll try to tell you the steps.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Right. Go to cd slash.
Slash.
Yeah, enter. ls. You'll have a home directory. cd bit tab.
CD bit.
Bit, yeah, tab. Tab you press. Yeah. cd to Jenkins. Yeah, you can use tab, it will come.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Home. cd to home. ls. Sudo cat of sudo
Cat of the secret file, right?
secret slash initial admin password. No. I think this is not required for us. That is okay. Because this is there is no point in further. Wait, I'll tell you that because these guys are giving different passwords, right? So now I will ping you. Good. I'll ping you the username and password. Message you. Yeah, you can take it from the chat window. Username. Directly go to HTTP localhost in our browser and give username password. The ping one I ping you. Go to your web browser. Yeah, HTTP localhost.
Port number is
8080. Enter. You should log into Jenkins. Right? Use that user as the username.
User password.
And the password I ping you.
1 second. This one, right?
Right. Paste that. User and paste. No?
No.
Okay. No issues. Go to your screen. Screen. Go up. There is a documentation above https docs.bit. Under that, above. Go up. There. Yes.
This one.
First one. Yeah. Can you access this? So there you will find the credentials basically. Default username and password will be there. Getting started, Jenkins. First one. Yeah. First link is.
This one.
Yes. You'll find default username password here. Username is user and did you find the password? Why is this? Yeah. username and password. Click on that.
Which one?
Above one.
This one.
Come down. Somewhere you'll find default username and password. Yeah. The password they gave actually. You copy paste that password, whatever there.
This one is I think.
Right. Somewhere text will be there. You find it. Not there. Search for username, user or password. Username.
His database username, but don't want database.
Can you ping me that URL documentation?
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, Bhaskar, just for your information. Hello.
Ah.
Even I changed the password in the Jenkins. Like there is some option configure left side configure that. Then we click on that. You'll get once you selected the admin user, and we can change the password. So,
Where are you see?
I think this config.xml, right?
There you can change.
I think there you can change secrets. Secrets, it will
That
be
is the secret key. Don't touch that.
okay.
even once you log in with the default password, left side, yeah, there you can change as it.
Once you log in, we can change. That is okay. No, the initial one, why it is not able to log in? Which password you used? This is the username password default one what they give. No. Here you leave it. That initial one. You need to take it from this documentation only. Go back. Just press back. Yeah. Defined. Come down little bit down.
Yeah.
Username is user. What is the administrator username set?
Yeah.
To user the application the first time. What else is username should be used? And password. It should. Maybe is it the same thing? Come down. That 1 second.
Shall I try this?
Yeah. Try that, please.
1 second. First, take a notepad. This is
L 9U small u B capital B F 11
T
capital T B I. Can you go to that screen, some second?
Which one?
Where we logged in. Go up. Top.
Yeah.
Command prompt.
This one, huh?
Yeah. Command prompt. Go up. Little. Go up. On top. You can go to the top. Almost where we have logged in. Yeah. Documentation, forum, Jenkins package, return. That first link, can you ping me?
This one.
Yeah.
Second.
I'll give you the password.
Yeah.
schematic. Where are these? Can you go up top? Where the display? Top. Yes. So,
Oscar, shall I try
it
this?
is actually they are clearly saying it is random number, random password which will be generated. They have given the steps. If you see that in that link,
Okay.
log into Microsoft Azure Management Console. I will give you the password. One second, wait. The link, whatever you have shared from that only, I'm just checking. Under that YouTube link, they have given the steps. Click on the virtual machines icon.
Oh, okay.
Right. So that,
I think it's random one, not.
yeah, random one.
Okay.
Either you can generate or I need to generate. I'm not sure.
I think you already logged into portal, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm. Management console, click on virtual missions. Where is my thing? I'm going to virtual missions. Yes, virtual missions. Server results. Yes, I selected my server. In the support plus troubleshooting menu, select the boot diagnostic option. Boot diagnostic options. Where is that? Yeah, boot diagnostic options. Then what are they saying? Review the system log utility. You find the administrator username and password. Review the system log. Here also it is not. Go yes, condition boot diagnostics. It's saying no, here it is not displaying anything. Even here, kind of error only I'm getting after following that steps. Find limits by connecting to your application through such connect. Okay. So cat home returning credentials, find credentials. Okay. Anand, there are other steps. Can you Anand
Yeah.
Can you access that link itself? There are other steps. The first option they are not displaying. Come down. Same link down. Second option through SSH. Can you do this? Sudo cat off. Yeah.
This one. Huh?
So already connected. Now can you cat off this? Yeah.
Let's start copying.
Yeah. User and that is the password.
Oh.
Exclude the quotes. Yeah. Okay. First thing I think what we should do.
Yeah, manage Jenkins. Click on manage Jenkins.
People left side.
Yeah, people.
No. Come down. Left side, people you can.
Side menu.
People, okay.
Under that you'll find configuration.
I think manage Jenkins, right?
No. Manage Jenkins is at you're not user level. Click on that user.
Yeah, this is our admin user, right?
Go to configure now.
Configure.
Left side configure.
Here
you change it. Two things. Come down.
Yeah, come down.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
Q password underscore 123 same. P caps. 123. Same. Score 123.
Okay.
And one sec. Before saving, we need one thing. Go up. There is a API token, one option you'll find. This is required. Generate, add a new token. Generate. Give some name. Or copy that. That is enough. Copy. And paste it. Which is very important. This key. I'll tell you where to use. You can copy paste or I'll save this because this is required.
Yeah.
Now you have two things, right? Now, whatever the password you have changed that down, right? That is just to log into the application.
Okay.
Okay, which is Jenkins user. But whereas if you want to connect your Jenkins to your pipelines, so actually we spent a lot of time by entering that password Jenkins user and followed by that password, but it will not accept by your pipelines. So there you need to use this API token. So we have to authenticate your Jenkins. That is the reason we have generated this API.
Okay.
Now we'll go to the application, Jenkins.
I will save it. Okay.
Yeah, you save it somewhere.
Again, it's okay.
Okay.
Why it is logged out?
Because you change the password. You give that password. Not that whatever the password you have changed just now. Password underscore.
Oh, that is the reason it's just logged out.
Yes, because you have changed your password. Now go to dashboard. Click on left side. Dashboard. So basically you need to. So there are basically see here. The Jenkins is really a big topic. So this itself will take 1 month if you really want to cover all the topics. But for our part of this course, which is there are Jenkins experts also who will work only on Jenkins, right? But our goal is not for that. I mean, as a Azure DevOps engineer, you may not be an expert in Jenkins, right? Again, there will be an experts if required. But what we will cover, we'll cover a little bit here. Now go to manage Jenkins. So come down, manage plugins, there right side. Yeah. Left side, select the available plugins. Left side, yes. Here search for Maven. Maven integration, select that. No. A checkbox. Go back. Just select checkbox. Install without restart.
Okay.
This is one plugin which is required. We are going to work with start
Okay.
plugin. Okay. Let it install. Okay. Go again. Go to the top. Go to available plugins. This is how you can install the required plugins. Search for team. 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 VS Team Service. Can you find? Yeah, down that one. That one.
This one.
Yes. Do the same thing. Install without restart. No. No. Go back. I think you have clicked it. You have to select. Go to available plugins. Search for team. There is that. It was there, right?
Team. There are so many things. I think that is installed.
Installed. Okay, then if it is, it should be available here. If it is installed. MS Teams, something will be there. Our Visual Studio Teams will be there. VS.
Yeah, it is installed. VS Teams.
Okay.
Yeah, VS Teams.
Okay.
Yeah, it is already installed.
Right. Okay. Now we have installed. We may have to restart or go to manage plugins again. You will have an option.
Plugins.
Come down. You will find one option called reload configuration. Can you see? Manage config global. Come down. System information, logistics, reload configuration. Down there. So basically, this will restart your Jenkins. Sometimes it will ask you whether you want to restart. Whenever you want to do that while running application from here itself, we can do that. Click on that, no issues. It will reload that. So, right. Now what we have done, we have created our Jenkins server. That we have generated our API token also, right? Okay. Now, did we enable the 8080 port network last session? If not, I'll do that.
No, boss.
No.
No, you.
How to add inbound rules, inbound outbound rules? Did you?
Yeah, you added for inbound rules for 8080.
Okay. Let me give what is the IP. Let me access this application since you are running now. I'm not sure whether I can access it. Let me try. I have to debug why it is not 080. I'm trying to access Jenkins application from my browser, which may not work. Just trying because we are not exposed to my local.
Yeah.
Go about it. I have to link it actually.
Or else we can use that VM's public address and 8080 port, right?
Yeah, I'm using public IP address 74.235.228, whatever it is, public IP. I am trying to access using my public IP. Not an issue. We'll toggle between our thing and right now. Okay, we'll create a job now. Okay. Can you click on new item left side? So even I'll be doing the same thing. Give some name like what is that? My shuttle. No, what is it? Some give my Jenkins project. Any name. Jenkins project or my project one. Anything is fine. My project one is enough.
Yeah.
We are creating. Yeah, my project. Select the Maven.
Maven project.
Okay.
Okay.
So When you are creating, it's done.
Yeah.
It is just come for configuration, right? If you see the left side navigation, right, you have a lot of options. One is source code management, where you have to link your source code. And second one is build triggers. I was explaining about these build triggers, whether you want to do periodically, whether build the poll SCM. There are multiple options. That's why I'm saying this itself is a huge topic if you want to discuss, but this is not our agenda. Actually, this is not our area of interest right now. Okay. So go to build step.
Three steps, right?
Right. No, build steps basically. So here you can see the pom.xml, right? Jenkins needs to know where Maven is installed. Okay. Okay, I'll come back to here. Can you, before that, if you remember, we had set Maven configuration under. Since there is no Maven is configured installed on this specific VM, we have to configure in the global configuration. Okay. We save this for now. I will come back to here. Now, what we have done, we have just created a project, okay, which is my project one. Again, go to the dashboard, manage Jenkins. So what we are trying to do now here, we are going to set the global level configurations. Click on global tool configuration. Come down here, you'll find a Maven. Here, add Maven. Give name, whatever the version, Maven underscore 3.9.1 underscore 3.9.1, just for version purpose. You can give any name, just for easy, right? Okay, that's all. Save it. You can add multiple Maven versions also there. So if you click on add Maven, again, it will allow you to select another Maven based on your project. I'm just giving for knowledge purpose. Okay. So in case if you are using multiple projects on the same Jenkins server, but whereas if you want to use different versions, anything for that matter, not only Maven, any software like Java or anything. So I can add multiple. If you want, click on that. I'll show you. Config, yes, there. Again, add Maven. Add. Yes. One we have added. Yeah, right. It will allow you to add one more version. You can select. No, don't save it, but just giving an idea.
There are so many.
In case if your project, some older projects are there where you need to use the older versions, again, you can add older version and save it as some name, different name. Go back, click on dashboard. Leave it. Yeah. Now click on my project. Right side. This is your project or build what we have created right now. Click on configure. In case this configure will allow you to edit the configurations. Right. Now go to the source code management. Where is our source code? None. It is there, right? Click on that. Okay. Super. That means the Git plugin is not installed. So you have to install the Git plugin also.
In dashboard to come right.
Say manage Jenkins. Go to plugins.
Plugins.
Here search for Git. Ideally, it should come.
By default, it will come right. Git.
Right.
What GitHub, Git.
Git. Where is that?
This one.
Yeah, Git and Git client is not.
GitHub.
GitHub is not required.
Required branch source. Git server is also not required.
Okay, Git is enough. We install it. Install. Yeah, click on install. Down.
Yes.
Installed. Click on that last checkbox. Last checkbox. Yeah, restart. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to install the required plugins. Ideally, it should come. There we saw none, right, under the source code management. In case if I
Yeah.
install assume that in case if I install SVN, Git, or whatever the version controlling tools, so there we'll get an option. If this Git is available along with none, you'll get one more option, Git. I'll ping you the repository URL by then. It's so now you got the Git.
Yes.
So just give me a sec. I pinged you the what the link I am providing. You remember other day we have downloaded from Microsoft, right? My shuttle. Yes. Now add credentials. Add. Fail to connect. Hope you remember how to generate it, right? If you want, I'll show you that notation. Not allowing to add.
Token no need to generate, right?
No token. Jenkins user. Yeah. Username with password, right? One sec. Username with password. I will give you that.
Name.
One second, generating it. Generate Git credential. I'll show you that. Username is Bhaskar.a3. Where are you?
Can you just ping me?
Yeah, I'm pinging. Username is this. Use this. Ping you. So when you go to your project and add, yeah. Now select that under the dropdown, credential dropdown. Above error should go away actually. Yeah. Right. So what we have done, in some second you have account, right? Dev.azure.com. Can you log into that? Dev.azure.com.
DevOps, right?
Yeah, DevOps.
Okay.
Can you give me your user ID? I'll give you the access for my project.
It's Somshekhar MMD.
MMD. Okay, no problem. Click on that hello world. Anything is fine. So go to repos, left side. So what I have done, click on that clone, top right side, clone. So the URL, whatever I have given, this is the one. Click on that generate Git credentials. These are the credentials I gave you. The username and password. This is how you should generate your credentials.
Okay.
Okay, just want to show that. Now what to do? We will just give me a sec. My project. Missions. User. Okay. Let's give me organization settings. Users. Add a user. Can you ping me your ID, user ID?
Yeah.
I'll give
Second. My
you can
DevOps
save
user ID, right?
Yeah, a DevOps user ID.
Yeah.
You may have to log in and join. I'm giving an access for you. Is it? Delete. See. Yeah, I gave you permission. You may have to log in and join. Not here. Your Gmail account will get a link.
Okay.
So I'm just giving permissions to Somshekhar for the specific project, whatever we have cloned it other day.
Okay.
Join.
No access.
Why? I gave you the access. Add users. Okay, not an issue. I can modify. That's okay. Leave it. So basically, in that project, we have a lot of or we can clone it to your this thing. Since it is a public project.
This one, right? Hello, dev.
No, we'll use different one. Okay. Now go to that. No, not an issue. We can manage.
Yeah.
Go to the pre-build step now, where we saw the pom.xml. Come down. Yeah. So pom.xml, since we are using the Maven, so we need to what do you say? Use the pom.xml by default for the Java project. The build file or the build configuration file will be pom.xml in case if you are using the Maven. If you are using the AND, it will be build.xml. Forget about what content is there. It is managed and maintained by the developers, basically. Right? We need to specify goals. I'll show you once. For timing, you just add goals like package. Let me ping you that. What goals you need to add.
So build, right? Build or something.
No. Yeah, build. We need to basically. I'll give you the steps. I'll show you why we are running it. Just after that, I'll share my screen. Can you copy paste this?
Yeah, 1 second. Package. Enter thing, right?
Package -d test. Package space -d test equal to fairs test simple test. What is this fair test and simple test? That is coming from our project, whatever we have cloned it. I'll show you that. There are test cases which we are going to execute. That's all. Right? Okay. Enter that right. So generally, what happens? These things will be there in my source code. So I'm going to execute these test cases from this. In case if you want to run anything on post-build actions, you can run the post-build actions. Generally, what will be the post-build actions? Artifacts, right? Click on that post-build actions. Add a post-build step. Don't have again. You should find an archive of artifacts. So many things are not there actually. Okay, save this. It's kind of empty template they gave with this. Go to manage Jenkins again, dashboard, manage plugins. Down, manage plugins, and search for artifacts or archive under the available plugins. Not here, available plugins. Archive, artifact. No, search for archive, maybe it would be. Archive artifacts, can you see somewhere? Archive artifacts, URL viewer, not this one, actually. What will be the plugin? The artifacts, just let me check.
Copy artifact,
Yeah, copy.
but it will add the build step to copy artifacts from another project.
No.
Not this one.
So there are plugins. Copy artifacts also you can add. Will be useful. But
Artifact deployer.
artifact deploy plug artifact deployer. Can you search for that? Artifact deployer.
It is there.
Yeah, add that. Install and yeah. Click on that last one, checkbox. Is it installing or just restarting? I didn't read that. Generally, it should wait and
Since only 3 steps are there.
no. After installing those the plugins, whatever we have selected, it should restart. So here you need to add archive the artifact. You should get it under the post builder. We need to specify what kind of artifacts we need to archive, basically like WAR file or this. My project, configure, left side. Go to end or the left side, you can click post build actions. Yeah. Down, post build actions. Okay, no issues. Can add a post build step now. Can you see whether it will have? No. We are add post build step. No, post build actions.
Okay.
Archive the artifacts. Second one. Okay. There you specify target / star.var.
Star.var.
WR, yeah. Comma. Star, what else will be there in this? Star.sql also you give. Comma star.sql. Not VAR, WAR. War, yeah. Save that. So what are we trying to do here? After building, there will be a few artifacts which will generate. So we are going to archive these kind of WAR file and or SQL files, right? These two we need to basically archive it. Apply and save or save, anything is fine. Okay. Now click on run build now. Build now. First, let us check whether it is working or not. If you click on that number 1, it will show you what is happening. Yeah, console output. This is how we can view the logs, what is happening. Some errors, build failure, not sure why. Go up. Error occurred in fork. Okay, because you don't have access.
Failed executor to this.
But I gave you the access, but still I don't know why it is not coming. So one option for us is you need to clone that project. So where is it? Maybe I have to restart my this thing. Go to end. You are logged in. If you want, you can you clone this project? It won't take much time, right? I think. Yeah, where is this chart? This is the project I have cloned in case if you want to clone. Click on this link. I ping you. Sign in.
Oh, I have to clone this, right?
Accept. Yeah. My shuttle. Give project name something, and you can select your organization. Some project name.
Shuttle I'll give.
Yeah, my shuttle only can give. Yes. Create. Yes. So now you need to modify. Go to your what is that? Jenkins, and give your credentials instead of mine. Click on that. Okay. Click on one, whatever that. Build number 1. Wait here. You see here under the build artifacts that create mysqldb.sql. One artifact is created because the SQL files will be taken from the repo. There will be nothing in this. Generally, the artifacts, whatever we have specified under the post build actions, in case if build would have been paused, then you will get another artifact.var file. So you will get the list of artifacts, whatever we have specified in that your Jenkins job here. You can see here. So is it done now? Cloning?
Okay, I think. That's still doing.
Still going. Because we need that credentials. Now restarted my laptop instead of this. We wait for this. It will be done.
Yeah, cloning is done.
Done, right? Now go to your Azure portal. Same, copy paste your go to a repos, clone.
Clone.
Copy this URL. No, copy that.
Yeah,
URL. Yeah. Modify that Jenkins job.
Jenkins, my project. Configure.
Yeah.
This might to change. Yeah.
Replace that and add another one. Credentials.
Credentials I need to add.
Jenkins. Yeah. Username and the key. Done, right? Now can you try build? Actually, can ignore this whether build is successful or failure. That is not our interest. While the build is happening, see, basically there are 2 ways where we can connect our Jenkins pipelines to our Azure portal. Now go to your Azure portal. Go to projects, go to this specific project and project settings. Yeah, you are there. Click on that project settings down.
Okay.
Using service hooks, we can actually link your Jenkins to this. Can you see service hooks left side? Top it is there. Service hooks. Yes. Here, create a subscription. It will ask you. This is how we can link your Jenkins to your Azure DevOps basically. Create subscription. Here you need to select Jenkins. Next.
Trigger this type of event.
Select that. On code push, you select.
Code pushed.
Is basically we are enabling the CI.
Okay.
Right. As soon as some code is pushed to my repository, select the project, my schedule.
Okay.
Right. Branch, any branch, leave it. Any branch, leave it.
By member of
Anything, leave it. There are different. Next.
Okay. Next.
Jenkins base URL, you have, right? Jenkins base URL.
Base URL.
Here, the Jenkins base URL, you need to give like, what is that? The public IP. You have a public IP or shell IP. It is there in that URL. First one. No, localhost will not work.
Yeah. Where it is public IP.
Helping you if you want. That wherever SSH connection you have done that is the same thing.
Yeah.
HTTP : or I'll ping you.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, click. No, just click on left arrow. That's
this one, right? 74.235.
I ping you. Yes, if you want. I ping you.
Okay. Username.
Username is user. Jenkins user.
Okay.
This is where I was telling API token you should give. We generate, you have API token, right?
Yeah. API
You ping me. Yeah, or I can ping you if you want.
I think this is the one. No, this is for your site. API token.
Yeah,
No. API token is for Jenkins URL. Use that same token.
Same, right?
Whatever you have pinged me. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait for some time. It will reload automatically things.
Bhaskar?
Yes.
Here it is the password also is okay, right? User
password
or password.
For testing purpose, it will work. But actually, when you enable that CI, right, whatever on push, it will not work.
Pipeline level, I think it will require API token.
It will API required. This is where even initially I used to spend time.
Okay. Showing supplied credentials are not authorized to query Jenkins.
Did you give API token or no? Wait, it's a I have saved it. I'll give you in case.
Password is accepting, but I don't know. Pipeline what level.
This is the API token. API token. This is what I hope. This is what you have given, right?
Yeah. Let us see. Yeah, it's accepted.
Test it. Test down.
Yeah.
Successful. Close it.
Close. Okay. Finish it.
Finish it.
Okay.
So now you have created a service hook which will actually read the artifacts from the Jenkins server as soon as the build gets over.
I need to click next, right?
Finish it. I did it should.
It's not going.
What is the subscription for this service are managed by the consumer service to create a new subscription visit App Center? Maybe that is because of your. You have free subscription, right? Free credits?
Yeah, it's free only.
Ideally, it should create. Then what is the problem? Okay, maybe. But this is how you will create. Now, what happens whenever you maybe we'll see this. Maybe for specific user, for your user, I'm not sure why it is not. Generally, immediately it should add as soon as you click on finish. So this is a service hook which we created to connect to my Jenkins server.
From Azure, right? From Azure.
From DevOps, yes, from Azure.
Azure DevOps, okay.
Right. So using service hook, we can create the connection between your Jenkins and now assume that as soon as some push happen in our Jenkins, automatically this will get triggered. So this will read further whatever. This is the service connection created. Why are you not able to add it?
So once the service hook connection will be established from Azure DevOps to Jenkins, what are the code you updated from the Jenkins build or anything that automatically the pipeline will be built? Correct?
It is created, added.
Yeah.
It's created. I think this window is hanged. I think
okay, not an issue.
Maybe
now go to pipelines.
We're in
the left side under the repo, say my shuttle pipelines. Create a new pipeline. Use classic down. Yeah. My shuttle continue. Continue. Search for Jenkins. You should have a template Jenkins. Apply that. Why are you getting this? Because you created that service hook. Now you need to give your values here. Click on pipeline. Here, agent specification. Anything you select, it's okay.
Windows.
Yeah, Windows latest or anything. Now
parameters.
Click on Q job. Can give job name something, whatever it is, or the top will come back from the job name. My shuttle or whatever it is.
Jenkins service connection.
You should give the exact name, whatever is there in our your Jenkins. My job is your job name. What is the name you give? My project one. Something.
My project one. That one I have to give.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Yeah. But why is this not coming? Jenkins service connection.
Which one?
This one.
You should get Jenkins service connection actually. Drop down, nothing is coming.
Nothing.
You should get a Jenkins service connection. Maybe there is some issue while creating that.
Yes.
This is what we created. That. Ideally, you should get Jenkins service connection. The name itself is that. Okay. Once you add this, assume that this is okay. Go to that queued Jenkins job, my project. Or click on. No. There on pipelines.
Okay.
Why it is not giving Jenkins connection should get displayed there. Click on new, edit, or if you add this automatically, others should get solved.
Yeah, it's already added, but I don't know what happened. Shall I close this?
Close it. Let us see.
Refresh it. Yeah, it's showing here. I don't...
Next.
No, it's already created.
Right.
Okay. Attempted.
Yeah, that is true. That is how.
Why it's not coming here?
Refresh. Okay, we'll see that. But you got the overall idea, right? How it will link to your pipeline. This thing you can use it for existing one or the create a new pipeline. Either way, it's fine. So generally, that service hook, whatever we have created, that should come as a Jenkins service connection here in this drop down list. We'll see that why it is not coming. As soon as you click on finish, you should go. But why it was failing?
Refreshed as well. Sometimes this Azure enough to do this.
Oh. So now actually, if you commit something, automatically this pipeline will be executed. Since why this will execute as soon as you commit something, you push something, because while creating your service connection, service hook. So we selected as on push, right? If you want, I'll show you again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's on push only.
On push. Because we selected on push, it will automatically hit. Or if you want to do something on completion of successful build, then automatically you have to select while creating your service hook as on selection. Is it clear, the process wise?
Yeah, Bhaskar.
We'll see. Maybe I'll restart my server and in case. So this is how you can link your Jenkins artifacts to your DevOps, Azure DevOps. Now what we are doing, our Jenkins itself is a separate server. There is no link actually, right? Now we have created a connection between your Jenkins and your pipeline. Clear? Yeah, I hope I've shared. If not, I'll share that. I think it is shared in that document also. I have mentioned the same steps to do this. Okay. Oh, maybe for me, why it is not, but it doesn't matter, right? My subscription is over. That's why. Not sure. Okay. Okay then. Have any doubts? You can go through the document. In case of any doubts, you can ask me.
Hello, Bhaskar.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, you can hear you.
Yeah, that service hook, like when we are creating the service hook, on push, on pull, on complete, is that like everything we need to create? Example, if any code has been push or pull request, so
based on your process requirement, you need to select the appropriate value. Assume that your requirement is for every push. Select the on push. Or if your requirement is like on build successful build completion, Jenkins, then select build completion. You can click on plus if you want Somsekhar.
This one, right?
Yeah. Select Jenkins. Yeah, next. Here. On code push, on pull request, on release deployment. These are the options available. 4 options. See, based on your requirement, you need to choose on what action your pipeline should get triggered.
okay. So in general, we'll go only for code push only, right? From Jenkins, every
the ideal practice, but that's what it's all depends on your project. Project to project, it will vary. Sometimes, if everything is already validated, then if you want to do only for the successful builds, just do it only for the build completed. Again, this is linked to your previous topics, right? See, I was discussing, right? There will be 100 commits. Do you really want to do 100 push every day? 100 pushes will happen. So, do you want to trigger 100 times, or the scheduled time, like your build will be scheduled for 100 pushes, maybe daily once?
daily ones. Yeah.
In that case, you select build completed.
Okay.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
That way. Yeah, you need to choose. Okay. So we talk about defects. Similar thing, we can actually do it for the release pipelines also. Same thing. So whatever we are doing here, so same thing you can include there also. Add that if you want. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Hope this session is recording, right? Yes.
Yeah, recording.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Bye.